Listen, 2026 is not just another year. It's not a calendar change, not a date on your phone, not a number you flip past. 2026 is a door, and right now, it's standing wide open in front of you. The question is, will you walk through it as the same version of yourself? Or will you walk through it as the person you were always meant to become? Because whether you admit it or not, life has been whispering to you. It has been telling you, you can be more. Your story is not finished. Your best chapter isn't written yet. But somewhere along the way, you got stuck. Stuck in old habits, old fears, old memories, old versions of yourself that no longer match the future you want. And that's why 2026 matters. This is your reset year, your restart, your reinvention. Not the kind where you change your clothes or your haircut. Not the kind where you fake a smile while keeping the same broken patterns inside. No, this is the rebirth of your mindset, the reconstruction of your discipline, the rebuilding of your identity. Because the truth is simple. You don't become a new person by wishing for a new life. You become a new person by outgrowing the old one. So ask yourself, who were you in 2025? A dreamer? A procrastinator? A prisoner of your excuses? A collector of tomorrows that never came? That version of you has served its time. It taught you lessons, it gave you experience, it showed you pain. But you cannot carry it into 2026 if you want real change. You must let it go. Not with anger, not with regret, but with gratitude. Say thank you to the old you, and then choose to walk away. Because reinvention begins the moment you realize you don't need permission to start over. Not from people, not from circumstances, not from the world, just from yourself. 2026 is the year you stop waiting for motivation. It's the year you start building discipline. It's the year you stop doubting your potential and start demanding more from your life. Understand this deeply. Your habits are voting for your future. Every day, every moment, every small action is a vote. The question is, are you voting for the life you want or the life you're trying to escape? This year, wake up earlier than your excuses. Work harder than your fears. Fight stronger than your doubts. This year, you become dangerous. Not to others, but to the parts of yourself that want to stay average. Reinvent yourself with ruthlessness. Cut off the noise. Detach from the negativity. Delete the distractions. Break the cycles you've been trapped in for years. Because you can't build a new life with the same old patterns. You can't receive a new future while holding onto a past that keeps wounding you. 2026 wants a new version of you. A version that doesn't just survive, but rises. A version that doesn't just dream, but executes. A version that doesn't just hope for change, but becomes the change. So here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need the perfect timing. You don't need approval. You don't need everything figured out. You need one thing, a decision. A decision that says, I'm done living on repeat. I'm done carrying who I used to be. I'm done letting fear write my life story. I decide who I become. Because the moment you decide, the universe shifts, energy moves, opportunities appear, confidence awakens, and the old you begins to fade. Reinvent yourself in 2026. Become the person your younger self needed. Become the person your future self will thank. Become the kind of human who wakes up with purpose and sleeps with pride. Let this be the year you rise from your own ashes. Let this be the year you rebuild your strength. Let this be the year you walk boldly into your potential. Let this be the year you take control of your story and rewrite it with fire. 2026 is calling you. Not the version you pretend to be, but the version you truly are. And the world is waiting for the reinvented you, the unstoppable you, the awakened you, the powerful you. Walk through the door. Your reset has begun.